Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to get the Kraken fishing rod in Pet Sim 99. Start by building coin and token income through daily quests, farming zone mobs, and chest runs. Prioritize unlocking the deep sea zone and upgrading your fishing power to meet the spawn threshold. Use event boosts and trade wisely for temporary luck increases to raise your drop chances while minimizing time spent farming. Build a repeatable route that cycles high-value zones and chest spawns while keeping your pets active. Swap in pets that give fishing and luck bonuses, and set auto-collect to avoid missing spawns. Time your runs to coincide with server or event multipliers, and save premium boosts for concentrated farm sessions to amplify drop probability without wasting resources. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more content. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a clean, bold scent that somehow makes grinding feel faster. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. And now let's get back to the video. Track prices for the Kraken fishing rod and related items to know when to buy, sell, or hold. Create fair bundles that include sought-after pets or currency to speed trades without undervaluing your item. Use trusted trading channels and confirm trade windows to prevent scams, and consider small test trades to build reputation before attempting high-value exchanges.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.